HOMEFIT Nutrition is brought to you by Super Yogo and comes in 2 flavors, natural plain and exciting lemon. Get yours today from a fan milk vendor, supermarket or petrol mart near you.
It's a beautiful morning. Say hello to the sunshine. Now after that workout, I felt great. Now I hope you did at home. Now today we're going to do something special. Now today's episode is brought to you by Super Yogo. Now today I'm going to make you a smoothie that will help you boost your immune system. Now my ingredients today are, first and foremost, Super Yogo, which is rich in vitamins B6 and vitamins D. Next up, we have our kiwi, which also helps boost your immune system. It helps cases of asthma. Next, we have our bananas, which are very powerful antioxidants, which give you strength to carry on throughout the day and boost your immune system. Next up, we have spinach, which is also a good antioxidant. It's rich in a lot of nutrients, so make sure when you're having that smoothie, make sure you have a lot of spinach. Next, we have our almond milk, which we'll use as our substance to dilute, and our ice, of course. So now let's get to it. Alright, so let's get straight into action. So first, I'm taking my Super Yogo. Now remember, you can get your Super Yogo at any petrol mart or supermarket near you, or any fan milk vendor. Now Super Yogo comes in 2 flavors. We have the plain, which I'm using, and the exciting lemon. So I'm going to use 2 packs of these. Now this is a smoothie you can make right after you work out or before, when you're hungry and you're on a diet and you're trying to, suppress that hunger. You don't want to overeat. This is a smoothie you can make. So next up, we add a little kiwi. Kiwi helps with asthma. It boosts your immune system. It also has antioxidants. Take a banana. I like to use just half a piece. It's good enough. Spinach, which is also rich in antioxidants, and our milk. A little bit of ice. And there you go, guys. A very simple smoothie you could do anywhere, anytime. In your homes, in your office. And there we go, guys. Our smoothie is ready to be drank. Now, this is a smoothie you can give to your kids, your family members, your friends. Something you can give to your kids on your way to school, after they're back to school. Easy to make. You can have it any time of the day. Now, our special ingredients for today was Super Yogo, which you all know is rich in vitamins B6 and vitamins D. And our program today, our episode today, was proudly sponsored by Super Yogo. Now join me and let's have this beautiful glass of smoothie, and I will see you next time on the next episode of HOMEFIT. Cheers, guys.
HOMEFIT Nutrition was brought to you by Super Yogo, the fortified frozen yogurt from Fan Milk. Get yours today from a Fan Milk vendor, supermarket or petrol mart near you.